Hi students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to explain a very important topic of electricity, that is Ohm's law. Ohm's law basically explains that why electricity flows from one terminal to another. We all know that for any kind of energy to flow, there has to be a difference in the level. Energy always flows from a high level to the low level. The direction is always this. So electricity is flow of electrons. The electrons will flow only if there is a difference in the potential between the two terminals. Now what is potential difference? Potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is the amount of work done to move one unit charge from one point to another. So how is that potential difference created? The function of a cell or a battery is to create the potential difference between two ends. It creates a potential difference between the two terminals of the cell. It is because of this potential difference that electric current flows. Now coming to the main point. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law basically explains, it says that the higher the potential difference, the SI unit for potential difference is volts. So the higher the potential difference, the more will be the flow of current. So according to this graph, if we take potential difference here on the y-axis and flow of current on the x-axis, then we get this line which says that more the potential difference, the more will be the current. The higher the potential difference, the higher will be the current. So in simple terms, we can say that potential difference is directly proportional to the flow of current. Now when this is the sign which tells the proportion between the two quantities. In order to formulate a formula, we have to convert it into is equal to. For that, we have to put a constant which is resistance. So potential difference is equal to resistance into current. This is the formula which we apply in order to solve the sums or the numericals for Ohm's law. Therefore, R is equal to V upon I. Resistance is equal to potential difference upon current. This brings us to a new quantity, that is resistance. The SI unit of resistance is ohms. My friends, this is Ohm's law. If you have any queries, please put in the comments section and please put your likes. Thank you.